Being poor sucks. Money doesn't buy happiness? That's a lie. People who've been broke know that money can improve the quality of your life. And if you're tired of struggling, this is your wake-up call. Like and subscribe if you're ready to stop being poor and you want to start thinking rich. Being poor doesn't just hurt your wallet, it actually messes with your brain. Research shows that growing up in poverty can actually change the way your brain works, making it harder to manage stress, solve problems, or even believe that a better future is possible for you. But here's the good news. You can break out of this poverty mindset. Step 1, stop believing the lies. The first step is to recognize the lies we tell ourselves about money. Broke often say that more money won't make them happier in an attempt to feel better about their current situation. But let's be honest, having more money will reduce your stress, it'll give you choices, and it'll improve your quality of life. If you're telling yourself these lies, stop right now. Convincing yourself that more money isn't going to make your life any better is the fastest way to kill your motivation. Instead, start asking yourself, what would my life look like if I was financially free? Step 2. Break the cycle. Living paycheck to paycheck can feel like death by 1,000 cuts. Every little expense adds up, and soon you're drowning in debt. But here's the truth. You can take control, and the first step is to stop the bleeding by creating a plan. Start small. Build a budget, even if it's just tracking where your money went last month. This is actually an incredibly effective exercise that will help you tremendously. So many of us are so unconscious about where our money's going. Just by taking an honest look at where your money went last month, you will immediately start making changes, I promise. Then set a tiny savings goal. I know it feels like you can't save anymore, but you can. Even if it's just $10 more a month that you can manage. It's not about how much you save and invest, it's about starting the habit. Step 3, use money as a tool. Money isn't the enemy. It's a tool. When you start thinking about money as a way to create opportunities, everything changes. Invest in skills that can increase your income. Start a side hustle. Go back to formal education. Take some online classes. Use this extra income to start tackling your high-interest credit card debt. Think of every dollar as a worker. Send those workers out to make you more money. That's how you go from surviving to thriving. Step number 4, adopt a rich mindset. A rich mindset isn't about having millions of dollars in the bank. We want you to get there, but that's not where you start. A rich mindset is how you think. People who think rich see opportunities all around them instead of just problems. They focus on growth, not on limitations. You don't need to be rich to start thinking rich. And everyone who goes from poor to rich had to first start thinking rich. When you face a challenge, start by asking yourself, how can I tackle this? Versus, I can't. Every time you reframe a challenge to an opportunity, you're taking a massive step towards financial freedom. Step number 5, try this Start Thinking Rich challenge today. Write down what your life would look like if you had financial freedom. If you no longer needed to worry about making money to fund your life, where would you live? What would you be doing each day? How would you be spending your time? Who would you be with? Get specific. The more vivid you can make this picture, the more motivated you will be to make it a reality. And don't hold back. Dream big. Then pick one step you can take today to start moving towards that vision. Maybe it's starting a budget. Maybe it's investing your first dollar. Maybe it's asking for a raise, or maybe it's starting that side hustle. Whatever it is, promise yourself to take some action today. Becoming rich isn't easy, but it is possible for you. I truly believe it. With the right mindset and taking specific small actions, you can go from surviving to thriving. If you're ready to stop being poor and start thinking rich, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to see it. But before you go, tell me in the comments, what's that one step you're going to take today to help you move towards financial freedom? Remember, you have the power to change your life, and I urge you to start today. You've got this.